Rust on the boots, rust on the gate. Pub still open, but it's getting late. School let out, dreams ran dry. Now I'm watching the sky and just asking why. Dad says, son, it's the same old song. Jobs moved east, we just hold on. But the silo's empty, the phone don't ring, and Centralink's a cold, cruel thing. No work in the Wheatbelt, no hope in the town. The crops are gone and the kids moved down to Melbourne Lights, a Sydney train. While I'm stuck here counting rain. No work in the Wheatbelt, just blues in my veins. Magpies know, they cry at dawn for every youth that's come and gone. Jenny packed up, took a bus last June, said I'll be back, but not too soon. Now her Insta's full of city lights, while I'm chasing shadows and fading light. No work in the Wheatbelt, no future here, just empty fields and bitter beer. We were born to fight, but not to win. So howl beneath the southern wind. Now work in the Wheatbelt, just blues on the skin.